Hi friends, this is Dane with Import Image Racing. Today we are talking about the Ibr Flex Fuel Kit and Fuel Pressure Sensor Kit. This is for the 2008 plus WRX or STI, so yes, that works for the FA20 cars. A couple cool things to note. This comes with its own specific controller. It comes with each individual piece that can be replaced, God forbid anything happens. You can buy each individual piece of this, the harness, the actual ethanol content sensor, the controller, the hoses, everything all individually, which is very nice, kind of helps keep it simple. Another really cool thing about this is usually for most flex kits, you would have to get underneath the car to get input from the rear O2. This doesn't. Everything can be done from the top of the engine bay, so that makes it very nice, very easy. Then also another thing that is highly, yes, very important, recommended is the fuel pressure sensor kit. The reason being is, say you're cruising with the homies, you're doing a 4th gear pull, you're at like 6,000 RPMs, your engine's screaming, it's like, hey, I'm about to explode because I'm losing fuel pressure. Well, you have no idea until it's too late. So what this sensor does, it basically enables a fail-safe. So if you have an EJ model car, the ECU detects a loss in fuel pressure, it keeps the injectors open longer, throws a check engine light so you know to get out of the gas, but it keeps it safe for you to get home. The one time that fail-safe works saves you thousands of dollars, which is really nice. The Ibr kit, you can either do one of two different flavors of this fuel pressure sensor kit. You can do the 5/16, which is this option right here. That's if you have factory fuel lines. It works with all OEM quick disconnect fittings, so plug and play, super simple. Or, if you already have an aftermarket regulator, aftermarket rail line kit, you can get a -6AN interceptor fitting that can work with that as well. Anything you get from Ibr, you can be assured that it's a great quality piece. Very methodical, a lot of thought went into why they needed to make this kit versus keeping what all the other tins of other kits that are out there. They're all fantastic ways. Flex Fuel is the best dollar per dollar gain you can get for virtually any car, but this specific kit from iBuild Race Cars is a great kit to go with. The Flex kit by itself is $550. The fuel pressure sensor kit's around 200 bucks. Get them today, we have plenty here, and get some corn in your life. Corn's really good. It's good for your body and your car.